Let's see how you can connect your TCL Roku TV to your mobile hotspot, whether you're using an iPhone or Android. So first, you'll need to turn on the hotspot on your phone. On Android, just open Settings and search for Mobile Hotspot. Just turn it on, and you'll see the hotspot name and password. However, if you're using an iPhone, you gotta go to Settings, from there to Cellular. Make sure Cellular is turned on, to Personal Hotspot, and first you gotta turn on Allow Others to Join. And along with that, you'll find the hotspot password on that screen. To check your hotspot name on your iPhone, from Settings, you're gonna go to General, to About, and in the Name section, this device's name will appear as the hotspot name. Now go back to your TCL Roku TV. From the left side menu, navigate to Settings, from there to Network, and then go to Setup Connection. A list of available Wi-Fi networks will appear in here. Just select your hotspot name, enter the password, and then choose Connect. You might be asked whether you're at home, a hotel, or a college dorm. Just select the option that best matches your situation. After a few moments, your TV will connect to the hotspot and you can use it as its internet connection. But for a faster connection, just make sure your phone is near to your TV as long as you're using the mobile hotspot. That's all for today. Thanks for your time.